Greetings once again. I am Russ Hatfield, and she is Kara, my twin soul and higher dimensional member of Ashtar Command, for those who don't know. This latest lesson was channeled by Omal through Mark Crocker, and it's called Past Lives and Future Lives. Our next entry into the nature of reality. Now, this lesson on parallel universes was going wonderful until a very drunk Tia accidentally stumbled over Omal in the middle of a sentence. It was understandable as a celebration had been happening earlier, but it was unusual to say the least. The lesson itself is all about the main rule of parallel universes. You can't cross from one to the other because you're already in that other universe. You can follow our online transcript at the link we've included, and please subscribe if you want at the end of this video to be alerted to future channeling sessions, editorials from Kara and myself, and lessons from the Center for Ascension. And now, past lives and future lives.
Now, here's my next question. Okay. We already have established that all futures are possible.
Correct.
Okay. Then, conversely, all past are possible.
All past have happened.
All past have happened, right. Now, does this affect the past life regressions that I did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because, as a rule, a person will follow a particular line.
Right.
Following a particular sequence. Okay. But occasionally you'll find individuals that have crossed from one to the other for reasons being such as needing the experience from a different timeline.
Okay.
Or parallel universe that is possible in a different future. You'll have to excuse me, I have just had a drunk young lady fall over me.
I was wondering why you said future when you meant past.
Yes. I have a little inebriated, apologizing profusely.
Well, I would assume that was the problem that arose all of a sudden. Now then, to continue on with this question,
yes.
Is there any, is it only what our souls have perceived then that we are actually experiencing in our past life?
Correct. It is what the experience of the soul is prepared to reveal, what is necessary for you to learn from at that time, which has been discussed by yourself and others.
Okay. Now the soul, which is with me now, remembers those past lives which I've experienced. Now, other question I have, am I connected to all those other aspects that is split off from that soul in those various times? No.
Because having a past life experience with other past lives on the same period of time, crossing over would be a very confusing, very difficult and dangerous experience. It would be like having multiple personalities clashing all at the same time within one individual.
Like a symbol.
Yes.
Okay.
I believe I do know that story.
Right. All right. So now, basically, when I do a past life regression, and someone has done something, but you know for a fact through historical records that somebody actually did that same thing but with another person, is because of parallel lifetimes that you're seeing the conflict there.
We do not have access to parallel timelines due to the fact that we are already on those parallel timelines.
Yeah. Yeah, I know it's a confusing subject to get into, but
Skip,
yes.
Did you understand it?
Okay. Okay.
We do not, I will repeat myself, we do not have access to parallel timelines because there is an aspect of us already on those parallel timelines.
In other words, it's actually happened.
Yes.
It's present.
Right. There could be a channeling session with myself channeling on another parallel timeline.
Okay. In other words, it's actually the present.
Okay. You have some more questions? Do you not?
From what you're saying, then the parallel life forms or life aspects is happening at the present, the same as ours is happening.
Correct. or an aspect of it.
Yeah,
It
so,
may not be. It could be you that is channeling these things. It could be Russ. It could even be Velvet.
In a parallel lifetime.
In fact, in all of the parallel times, that is probably the case.
Okay. So then to try to cross over into that parallel life would be nothing but chaos.
Correct. It would serve no purpose.
It'd be mess. Big mess.
The individual would go crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Big mess.
Yes, very big